down. This part's really steep, so I'm going to go in down a little bit lower, okay?
Yeah, I don't want to do this.
All right, so come over here. All right, everybody ready?
Yeah.
We're going to get in here a little bit. We're going to stop. Dad could really use to pee.
All right, let's
We're
go.
running the video.
Woo!
Stop it. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. This kind of side flip right here. There you go. Go ahead under. Go, Lincoln, you gotta go. I'm holding the rope for teeth. There you go.
All right.
Alright, so you guys think you can handle this?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? So you get your skis correctly. Okay, look, be looking downhill.
All
Alright?
right, let's go. Can I leave for this part?
No. I'm gonna leave.
Dad,
You guys probably can go on either side of that rock bump, okay?
Dad, you can go like far to that turn.
Yeah, I'm gonna go over that bump. I'm gonna turn over there.
All right,
All
let's go.
You ready? All the way over here.
I did it that way.
All right, you guys look uphill. Look at what you're skiing.
Yeah, I don't care.
What do you mean you don't care? Look uphill so you can see yourself later.
I don't care.
You guys are awesome. All right, you ready? Okay. All right, follow me.
This is like a piece of dust. It's so easy.